Have you ever heard of a drawing robot? We have one here that we love. These are the coolest toys ever, the best gift idea ever. So this is the drawing robot, and you put the card here at the top, and it reads it. It magnetically attaches the arms right here. Okay, and it is a rechargeable battery, and right here is the speaker. So it sings while it draws, which is so fun. It's a cute little robot. It does have a huge assortment of cards. This is how it sets up really easy. So you put the marker in here. It comes with this piece to hold the marker down. And then you hit.
Let's start drawing.
So these are perfect for birthday cards. This is perfect for birthday cards, creativity outlet, so many ideas, so many cards. So it sings while it does it. The back side gives you the step-by-step process. Rechargeable battery.
Okay, don't come on, come on. Okay, don't come on, come on. We're making up on my Tuesday.
It looks exactly like the card.
Okay, don't come on, come on. Hurry up on the sun. In a moment we'll go down. Wow, you're really a great painter, kid. Let's paint it in a nice color.
Exactly like the card. And then now you can take the assortment of markers and color it in.
He starts so fast, staying up all night. Time motion fast, pilot is still flight. Crying no sad, wandering inside. Flowers are lovely, bloom in summertime. A happy breakfast, toast and milk alright. Worries say goodbye, water is sunlight. Happiness arrives, see me I can buy. Leave on, let's go. Devil but alright. Leave on, baby, you're my cutest pie. I am the cutest sweetie pie. A little quiet, a little wicked. Sometimes she keeps erasable all mine. Noisy that she be red. I am the cutest sweetie pie. I'm playful, sometimes quiet. Melodramatic, don't be afraid. Cutie pie, everyone likes. Flowers are lovely, bloom in summertime. A happy breakfast, toast and milk alright. Worries say goodbye, water is sunlight. Happiness arrives, see me I can buy. Leave on, let's go. Devil but alright. Leave on, baby, you're my cutest pie. I am the cutest sweetie pie. A little quiet, a little wicked. Wow, you're really a great painter, kid. Let's paint it in a nice color.
The ideas are endless, so cute. You can make gift bag tags or birthday cards, greeting cards. Notice how nice the markers color. So these are the markers that come with the kit. They go on so nice. They're vibrant and bright and add such a nice pop when you color it in.
Let's start drawing.